and you see what's going on, man. Me and my boy Tilex finna go to Miami. Tilex, you ready? You ready, boy?
Let's get it.
Man, you know it's Haitian Flag Day, man, weekend, so we're gonna go to Miami to have a good time. So, nous pas faire l'autre belle, on va s'allier déjà. So, nous pas fêter fête de drapeau, nous comprenons. Nous fiers d'être nous Haitiens. Haiti 509. Ça passe to all my zones. So, shout out to y'all, man. Catch y'all when I get to the airport. Me, man. Yeah, man. I'm in Miami right now. You know, we got Cali in the cut. Man, Tonto. Tilex in the back. Where you at? Yeah, man, Tonto. Let me do Haitian Flag Day. You know, we gotta represent. We gotta represent, baby. We gotta represent. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We in Miami, baby, living la vida loca. I'm about to get inside my room right now, man. I'm tired, but yes, sir. This is it, guys. This is where me and my homeboy gonna be at, man. Come holla at us. I'm playing. But yeah, man, you know, it's Haitian weekend, man. So we're in the building, man. So we finna have a good time here, man. So me and my boy Tilex in the cut.
I get the drip from my wall. 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 A bad bitch love no. I'm smoking dope to exhaust. Money coming from the vault. I get the drip from my wall. I get the drip from my wall.
Oh Lord, Jensen made another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. Your hood come buy me a nigga, no cap. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy. Don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Bitch, you caught with your hoe when I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance.
Good morning, West Squad, man. So today is day 2 in Florida, man. So last night I went out. I went to a little hangout, Thursday, whatever they call it, man. So we had a great time last night, man, me and my friends. So we had a wonderful time. But today, man, we finna get on the yacht. Yes, it's a yacht party, man. So me and my friends gonna get on the yacht to have a good time, man. You know, it's Flag Day weekend, man. So we're in Miami living life with that loca, you feel me? So all my zoos are in town, man. So we finna have a good time for Flag Day, because we deserve that, man. How our country been struggling, you feel me? We know that, but it's still a beautiful country, man. So with that being said, man, let's celebrate together, guys. So we finna get on the yacht. So stay tuned for this video. So man, before man, you know, I show you guys everything else, man, let me tell you something, man. So don't stay in bed today, man. Get up and do something positive, man. Always have fun, and then always being positive at all times. So just keep your heads up at all times. So with that being said, man, have fun, because life is too short. All right, so I'm out, man. You know, this nigga's laughing. I don't know what the fuck is he laughing for, man, because, you know, I'm a positive ass nigga. So I always have fun to the fullest, man. I don't care what people say. I'm always gonna have fun. Yes. Like I said, man, we're gonna have a great time on the yacht. So stay tuned for those videos, man. So, man, I love you guys so much, man. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna keep them coming for you, alright? I'm out. Man, you already know, man. On to the next one. You already know. This is my rental. Drop top. Drop top it is, baby. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time, man. You know, drop top in Miami, man. You know, convertible. You cannot beat that. Yes, sir. We in the building. Mackenzie. Fleck. Yeah, wet. Junior in the house. Junior. Yeah, please, don't. We got Dency. Yo, that thing was lit, bro. Hey, we got Dency.
Hi, what do you call your people?
Win Squad.
Hi, Win Squad.
Yeah.
It's lit.
You already know. When I get on the yacht. What you doing? What you doing? They sleeping in there right now, and then no nothing wipe up this spot. No. Okay. Yo, you already know, man. Hey, just stay tuned for more videos. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, man. We're in the building. Miami took over 2019. That part. Actually, nobody Glee. Man, we're in the building, baby. What we doing in Miami right now, man? We're on the yacht. Why you on your bed? You sleeping right now? We're in the yacht, man. Me and my boy Tulex here too. Hey, my boy just graduated. Congratulations to my boy Tulex. Chicken near to. Take your one,
N'a fait plus de mourir que vivre.
Qu'on mix drop des beats.
Qui depuis la rime, par contre qui l'aime râler. Qui déprend plaisir, maman, c'est mourir, pas mourir. Qui depuis la rime, par contre qui l'aime râler. Qui déprend plaisir, maman, c'est mourir, pas mourir.
Rappelez tout ça, rappelez l'argent, parce que combien moun mourir pas lever.
Et nous liés,
Loguer l'argent boule, loguer machine roule, yo tout c'est vanité.
et nous liés,
C'est souffle qui vit chercher plaisir, fait madame ou souris.
et nous liés,
Vacana.
et nous liés.
Nous blaguons joy, yeah. Mettre les gauches en l'air, hands up. Les droites en l'air, hands up. Et puis t'as le balancer à gauche, à droite, à gauche, à droite, à gauche, à droite, à gauche, à droite, à gauche.
N'a fait plus de mourir que vivre.
Qu'on mix drop des beats.
Qui depuis la rime, par contre qui l'aime râler. Qui déprend plaisir, maman, c'est mourir, pas mourir. Qui depuis la rime, par contre qui l'aime râler. Qui déprend plaisir, maman, c'est mourir, pas mourir.
That's my bro right here. Wet, flag, flag. I got this thing in the house.
Yo, what's going on? Happy Haitian Flag Day to all my Zoes, man. You already know, man, we're in Miami. Happy Haitian Flag Day to all my Zoes. Favona Sakwase, my boy Tilex in the building, man. So we finally head to the festival and a few, so you see what we're doing in Miami, man. Drop top in this nice weather, man. You already know. Flag Day, bonne fête du drapeau à tout. À tout. You already know, man, we're in the building.
I'm thugging with the Zoes, niggas sock passe. What they do, what they say. I'm thugging with the Zoes, niggas sock passe. Not bootleg.
Here's a little history about the Haitian flag. Please pay full attention to read and to understand why our people go so hard when it comes to Haitian Flag Day. Enjoy. Thank you.
What